Hi, I'm Steph Evans from Evotech, partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites, this time looking at how to import Adams car results into Apex.
With an Adams car model in the Apex database, we can explore the results. So we're going to take a given scenario and then add a couple of events, and for each event we're going to attach the Adams RES result file for two different scenarios, or two different events I should say. Convertible smooth track and an oval track. So once we've got those events defined and the results attached, we can go into the post-processing environment and look at the resultant displacement. So here obviously the car is moving around the track, which is good for seeing the overall response, but we can use what we call a dynamic camera to give us the relative motion. So we've got the C of G of the car vehicle itself, picking the camera location at that C of G, and then we can look at the relative displacement showing here for a suspension system as the vehicle moves.
I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.